The Atongam laser keyboard is what we're going to be looking at today. And in the box for the Atongam laser keyboard, you get the keyboard itself, you get the laser keyboard user guide, which basically just tells you how to connect it up to your mobile phone or tablet using the Bluetooth. Gives you a quick breakdown of what the LEDs do on the device as well. And you get a micro USB cable as well. So bear in mind, if you buy this, you don't get a plug socket with it, you just get the charging cable. So you'll need to connect it to some USB device, whether it's a PC, or if you've got a wall socket with a USB port on, then you plug it in there to charge it. So we're going to set the device up now. So what we need to do is we need to hold down the power button. So if we hold that down, right, now it's gone red up there, which means that the keyboard is on. So if we put the keyboard down, you can hear it beeping. And as you can see there, we've got the keyboard. It's quite noisy as well, so every time you tap a key, it makes that beeping noise, which is quite loud. So we need to set this up with the tablet now. We need to hold down the function and the B button. So if we hold down function and B, as you can hear there, it starts beeping. Okay, so it's just beeped, and as you can see on my tablet there, we've got a laser keyboard as an available device. So if we tap that, it should pair with the keyboard. That's it, connected. Doesn't need any passcodes or anything like that. Connected straight away. So let's give it a test. Go to Google. And press enter. And we go to Google. So the keyboard works fine. It's quite responsive. Let's give it a quick test. If we try touch typing on the keyboard, let's see how that performs. So if I put hello. So it's missed the letter E out. Let's try it again. I've got hell now, not a hello.
Damn.
Right. Hello, my name. Yeah, so if you're a touch typist, I think you're going to struggle a little bit with this. If you just press one key and you take your time with it, then it's fine, there's no issues with it. But if you try typing very fast, so if I just put hello again, yeah, see, it really struggles to do it. If I do it with one hand, maybe it's because my other hand is kind of covering up the sensor or something. Yeah, so if you use one hand, it's not too bad, but I mean, if you are a touch typist, and that's going to get quite frustrating, not being able to use two hands. If you're somebody who types relatively slow, then this is not too bad, it will work. So if I just keep typing hello there and just take my time with it, then yeah, it works fine. You can't position it any other way. So for example, if I just grab this little card here, if I put that there, it just doesn't work. So it has to be positioned like that. Obviously if you turn it the other way, that's just not going to work. You're not going to get any lights. Either side's not going to work either. So it has to be positioned like that. So who would use one of these laser keyboards anyway? Personally, I think it's kind of directed at the mobile phone users and the tablet users. It's not going to replace a desktop PC keyboard, a laptop keyboard. It's for people who really struggle using touchscreens, but is it better than using the touchscreen on a phone or a tablet? Personally, probably not. It's gimmicky, it works, but if you're a touch typist, this is not going to be for you. If you basically use one finger and type, this is fine, this will do the job. It's quite noisy as well, it's very loud when you're pressing the buttons and when you first turn it on. It's alright, it's not bad, it's like I say, it's not going to replace keyboards. It is very gimmicky, it's kind of like something James Bond would use.
You noticed.
And my star rating for the Atongam laser keyboard will be 5 stars out of 10. If you like the content that's been created on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. You'll find it in the bottom right of each of the videos.